me today. If you're new around here, as you saw in my channel name, my name is Sarah, and one thing that I do part-time just to make a little bit extra money in addition to my full-time job is resell new and used clothes on a couple of different platforms like eBay, Poshmark, and Mercari. Now, typically on this channel, I focus on, the profits that I make within that, different hauls and tips and tricks. But in this video, I want to share one of the kind of like side hustles within that side hustle, which is the Fetch app. Now, if you are a reseller and you do not have the Fetch app, I highly suggest you get it because you can actually scan your receipts from the post office into the app and get bonus points. If you're not familiar with what Fetch is, it is one of these apps where you can scan in receipts. It really is supposed to be kind of like a marketing tool where you can get different bonuses for scanning in different things, and you can kind of play the game. It wants you to pick one brand versus the other. I don't typically use it for that purpose. I just scan in whatever receipts that I have, and like I said, I scan in my receipts from the post office. I go to the post office pretty much every single day, putting in my packages and getting that receipt. I get 25 points for just doing something that I'm going to do anyways, and it takes less than a minute, like probably 30 seconds to scan in a receipt, and I get paid for it. As you saw in my little introduction, I did go on a grocery store spree this morning. I am hosting a holiday party with my friends, and I am getting all the bonus points for that. So I do have 3 receipts next to me that I'm just going to show you how quick it is to scan it in. The first is my post office, receipt that I scanned. I have my phone pulling up the Fetch app, hitting snap, and just going ahead and taking a picture, verifying everything is correct, and voila, I just got 25 points for going to the post office just like I do every single day. Now, with all receipts, it is guaranteed that you get at least 25 points. Again, it is a marketing tool, so it does allow you to get more points for different brands, and then you can cash in those points for different gift cards. It can be just a Visa gift card. It can be a gift card for a specific store. It really is free money. So I have also a receipt here from Bloomingdale's. It was from a gift for the Secret Santa for my friends, pulling it up, taking the picture. It doesn't even have to be a good picture, and scanning it in. This was nothing special. It was just 25 points. So I got 50 points just from scanning in receipts. Now this one is the one for my thumbnail, the one from the haul. I'm probably gonna have to split this one into a couple of different pictures. Picture 1, picture 2, picture 3. Let's see what I get for this one. I have a feeling it's going to be a little bit more than 25 points because it is from a grocery store, and you typically get a lot more points from grocery store. It is calculating to 1,056. So I got extra bonus points for pizza rolls. It is a running joke to have pizza rolls at our parties. People love them, they make fun of them, but they are always the first thing that are gone. So I got also points from Ruffles potato chips and Tostitos salsa. So just from scanning the receipt, I'm going shopping anyways, I got a little bit of extra money that I can then put into a gift card and buy some more clothes for myself, buy inventory, buy more groceries, it can get an Uber gift card. So there's a whole bunch of different things that you can do with it. All you have to do is download the app on your phone. I don't think that you can do it on a computer because it is, taking pictures. If you don't have it yet, I do have, of course, a referral code in the description, and I believe you get like 3,000, maybe 2,000 points just from downloading the app. So right off the bat, you get paid, and then of course you continue to make the money on top of that. If you do end up downloading the app, I would love to hear how it goes for you. If you get really into it and you look for the specific products that you can get specific bonuses for, or if you just scan the receipts that you have, I would love to hear feedback on it and how it's going for you. If this video was helpful to you in any way, I would so appreciate if you can go ahead and hit the subscribe button. That allows my videos to continue to show up on your homepage and the homepage of others, and it allows us to continue to learn and grow together.